Dun dun! Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today, I'm doing something I've been excited for a while. So I'm going to unboxing two ultrasonic cutters in front of me. The first one is the Hozo design nail blade, and this one is the Hanboost C1. So both are very popular ultrasonic cutters in the market. So next, I'm going to unboxing and have a quick testing and comparison video between these two devices. This operation cutting tools that use ultrasonic vibration to cut through materials cleanly. No blade to brace, no blades. So which one is better? Which one should we buy? And in this video, I'm going to have a quick testing. So now we have the Hanboost C1. It comes in a compact white box with a product image on the front. Clean, simple, functional on the back. Also, you've got the basic specification from the user manual paper. Inside the white box, we get another pencil, kind of like pencil box. Inside, it's a plastic box, and we can find the ultrasonic cutter is just here. And also, another small plastic box, and we can find the blade. And also, I take the cable out, so it's the cable. It also should be here, the charging cable, and here it's provided two small kind of blade box here, so you can replace the blade, use the standard blade provide. And for C1, it's got an ergonomic handle, silver and black design. And for the blade, they provide lots of, I think around 10 pieces of blade for you to replace it. And so this is the Hanboost ultrasonic cutter C1. It's lightweight, around 50 to 60 grams, and grip is rubberized, comfortable to hold. And also, yes, this is the new blade. And for the Hanboost, the grip is also comfortable to hold. Button place is simple, one power button, LED indicator, and the tip is straight, standard ultrasonic design. And now we check the new blade. It feels more substantial, slightly heavier but balanced. The matte finishing is soft touch, very premium, and also to provide replaceable blade inside the box. Charge cable. Yeah, yes, this is the charging cable. It's a Type C to Type C white cable. And let's put it back. So this is the new blade. Also, they provide a user manual. So details, if you want to get more details, I think you can scan the code to the video tutorials. And here is the manufacturer user manual guide, the quick guide for the new blade, Hozo design. And now this is the cutter. The matte finishing is soft touch or premium. The button layout includes power and mode selection. Yes, no, actually, it's just the button layout is much easier. Sorry, compared to the C1, it has no power button. You just need to rotate the handle, and then you can turn on the device. And also there is a light button at the head. Yes, you can find there's a button at the head of the cutter. And actually, for the design, the Hozo, the new blade, it looks more premium compared with the Hanboost C1. And also the more features we're talking about. First is the ultrasonic frequency. Both got 40 kHz And for the battery part, the Hanboost 500 mAh, Hozo design, new blade 750. And for the charging, both support the USB Type-C, and for the charging time, all around 2 hours, and can walking time 60 to 90 minutes. But the Hozo is get big battery, so it's works a bit longer than the Hanboost C1. It can go 90 to 120 minutes. And also we can find for the Hanboost C1 there are 3 physical buttons. One is to adjust the walking world. You have 3 grid to adjust, and another is the power button, and also they provide a light button at the edge of the surrounding light at the head, around the head, so you can cutting the details even at a low light environment. And also for the new blade, they provide the physical light button for the light part, but for the power button, it's different. And also for the tips, for the shapes, the Hanboost only provides standard tip, and for the Hozo it provides 3 interchangeable tips. So this is pretty cool. And weight, the Hanboost C1 55 gram, and for the Hanboost design blade 68 gram, and both support daily waterproof. Hanboost is much better. They support IP54, IP454. Okay, so it's better. And now they are cutting the wooden. We can find that both the ultrasonic vibration works steady, and the color is clean. The minimal burning, that's the advantage of the ultrasonic, no heat damage. But take just several seconds to heating. I will try now is the new blade. I think because of the cover tip giving better control, cut is equally clean, maybe a touch smooth. This is for the wooden. And also now this is the also very fast for the Hanboost C1. The cutting is also fast and clean, also sturdy. But if for the completed art or wooden product, is really required patience from us. And now it's the sponge form. Okay, I turn on the both, and you can check. So it's a bit different. Okay. Check from this angle. Both I turn on the light mode. Basic sponge cutting, both were smooth, and also cutting some paper, also very fast and very steady. Works smooth. Okay, nice. So no melt edges, very smooth. So okay, now it's the soft paper, so you can check it. I will show the plastic parts, plastic sheet as well, so you can check the difference between these two devices, the Hanboost C1 and also the Hozo new blade. Okay, very nice, very sharp. Okay. The cut is smooth, consistent, and slightly faster, and no melting. I didn't change the blade. Okay, very fast as well for the nail blade Hozo design. Also very fast. So wooden test, paper test, sponge test, foam test, and the last I will testing the plastic surface to use the both ultrasonic cutter. Okay. Now it's for the Hanboost one, and later I will use both so you can enjoy the video.
很高的温度，对不对？
我怎么会去碰呢？我又不是傻子。
这里没人念。
为什么不把里面开啊？